We are drawing an ostrich today. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is a rainy, beautiful day in the Ozarks. So what better time to be inside drawing? So the ostrich, I've always liked the ostrich. I know they don't bury their heads in the sand. They're, to me, they're awkward looking, but I think they're a beautiful bird. They tend to, well, they're fast. They are very fast. They're the tallest living bird species. Males can reach over 9 feet tall. And I don't know if I got that quite right in the picture, but it is a coloring book, so I got the gist of it, and got the eyes on this one all right. And then of course erase, pencil erase. Don't know why I took my glove off there, but I didn't smudge anything, so no harm, no foul. Their eggs actually are the largest of any bird. They weigh up to 3 pounds, which is approximately about 2 dozen chicken eggs. So they've got large eggs. And I didn't put one in the picture because I just wanted just an ostrich in the savannah. They use their soft, fluffy feathers for temperature control at night, and in the daytime, not for flight. So I got the wing small since they're not a flight bird, and got their legs drawn out. And in drawing it, I did have to pause a couple times to take a look at it. I don't know if I'll use this as my final drawing for the coloring book. I may redo it a little bit and get the legs a little farther back under the body. You might see that at the end. But the picture was, well, I was happy with it. Decided to do a day scene with it. So, and I did read that that was really interesting. They often travel in herds, often mixing with zebra or antelope to help with better predator detection. And I will be getting a zebra done for this next coloring book as well. If you were looking for that. My next one is going to be dinosaurs. I think I've got 11 to go on this book before I get it out, so about 2 more weeks and you'll see this one out on Amazon. If you like what I'm doing, like and subscribe, leave some comments. If you get a coloring book, color some pictures, throw them in the comments and let me know what you think. And here's my final drawing. I hope you have a great rest of your day.